Representing unbelievable value, this absolute waterfront apartment with spectacular 180-degree Noosa River views is priced to sell. This is a truly impressive fully furnished apartment situated at the end of Roe within the prized and prestigious Noosa Shores Holiday Resort. The wide tiled balcony is the ideal place to enjoy the sweep of the Noosa River, the passing ferry and the cool afternoon breezes. The water panorama can also be enjoyed from the open-plan living, dining and kitchen zone. Two well-appointed bedrooms and bathroom are located on the southern side of the unit. The bathroom is styled with a crisp modern edge, features mosaic tiles and includes laundry facilities. Both bedrooms have built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The Noosa Shores Resort is both admired and highly sought after for its exquisite gardens, deep water jetty and pool. The waterfront pool's size is quite breathtaking. There's also a waterfront barbecue terrace with shade sails and dining areas. A short stroll to Quamby Place finds some of Noosa's award-winning restaurants, boutiques and ferry stop. The choice between Hastings Street or Noosaville is a tough one, as is lazing by the pool, on the terrace or taking the easy trip to beach or riverfront. This is truly a prized offering in an absolute north-facing waterfront destination.